Bordeaux welcomes you with golden limestone streets and a warmth that's instantly inviting. The city glows, not just from the sun, but from centuries of history and hospitality. Elegant yet relaxed, Bordeaux's boulevards buzz with life, cafes, laughter, and the aroma of fresh bread. The Garonne River curves through the city, connecting neighborhoods and reflecting the city's vibrant spirit. Here, you're not just a tourist, you're a guest, discovering hidden squares and charming shops at every turn. Bordeaux rewards curiosity. Every corner offers a new delight. So come hungry, come curious, and get ready to fall in love. This city is a masterpiece polished by time. Let's begin the adventure. Bordeaux's riverfront is its showpiece, a grand promenade where locals and visitors gather. The 18th century façades along the Garonne create a stunning backdrop for daily life. At the heart is Place de la Bourse, a semicircle of classical beauty facing the river with confidence. In front, the Miroir d'Eau transforms the square into a floating dream, reflecting the city and inviting everyone to play. Every 15 minutes, mist rises, laughter echoes, and the city feels magical. As the sun sets, lights shimmer on water, and Bordeaux's soul shines brightest. This is where history and modern life meet, pure joy, open to all. The riverfront is Bordeaux's living room, and you're always welcome. Even one visit here is unforgettable. It's that good. Step into Bordeaux's Old Centre, a UNESCO World Heritage labyrinth of cobblestone streets and hidden gems. Here, every alley reveals a new story, a quiet square, a medieval gate, or a bustling café. The Saint-Pierre district buzzes with life, from morning coffee to evening apéritifs. The Grand Théâtre de Bordeaux stands as a symbol of elegance, its columns and statues celebrating the city's love for the arts. But it's the details, the ironwork, mascarons, and secret courtyards that make wandering here a delight. Lose the map and let curiosity guide you. The historic center isn't a museum, it's a living, breathing neighborhood. Every moment here feels like a celebration. Bordeaux's heart beats in these streets. Bordeaux and wine are inseparable, so venture to Saint-Émilion, a medieval village surrounded by endless vineyards. Explore cobbled streets, visit the monolithic church, and taste legendary Merlot blends in family-run chateau. Wine here is a legacy, crafted with passion and pride. Back in the city, La Cité du Vin is a futuristic temple to wine culture. Inside, interactive exhibits let you smell, taste, and discover wine's global story. The highlight, a glass of wine at the Belvedere, with panoramic views over Bordeaux and the Garonne. It's where tradition meets innovation, and every sip connects you to the region's soul. Bordeaux celebrates wine as a way of life. Whether novice or connoisseur, you'll find inspiration here. Don't miss this essential experience. Bordeaux's food scene is a feast. Start at Marché des Capucins, where local flavors burst from every stall. Savor oysters from Arcachon Bay, shucked fresh and paired with crisp white Bordeaux. Indulge in canelés, caramelized custardy pastries you'll crave forever. For a day trip, climb the Dune du Pilat, Europe's tallest sand dune, for breathtaking views of ocean, forest, and sky. After, cool off with a swim at nearby beaches. Bordeaux blends urban sophistication with natural beauty, picnics by the river, vineyard bike rides, and sunset strolls. It's elegant, welcoming, and down to earth. Here, every meal and moment is savored. Come for the wine, stay for the joy. Bordeaux will fill your heart and your memory with delight. Please like and subscribe for more travel ideas like this one.